Today we're looking at the electric spin scrubber by Voweek. I'm going to do an unboxing and then I'm going to use it on several surfaces and we're going to compare and see if it cleans the way we think it should. An electric spin scrubber by Voweek. Let's see what's inside. Not to be lost. Structure manual. Good. Okay. Scrubber head. Medium bristles, wall hanger, or at least a pole, hanging on a pole, multiple, locks good in place, looks good, okay, electric cord. It feels a little stiffer than a toilet brush. Okay, it's kind of like a medium hard dish brush or floor brush. And here's the corner brush. It's a little bit softer. And here are the wands. 2 wands. 1, 2, 3, 4 different brush attachments, a wall hanger, the unit, and an electric cord. We are good to go. I make one of these videos a week and post them for you. If you're enjoying this, show me some love. You've got 4 brushes. You've got an extension wand. You've got, I guess this is the power wand, and then you've got your wand. This has multiple settings. You know, I thought this would be real important, but then once I used it, I realized this is pretty much what I go with. Okay, your brushes just kind of snap in. You've got these connectors that go, these holes right here. And they don't even really snap, they just kind of push off and on. And they don't feel like they would, but they are held in pretty securely, and all of these are that way. This wand has to have this end to work. Otherwise it won't work, because this, I imagine this has the battery in it. And this is your extension wand. All of the ends just plug in right there. So, and then you've got your lock right there. Plug in, lock, and this is adjustable. And I would say it's a fairly comfortable position. Okay, you're not gonna want to scrub all your floors with this, but you know, for like getting your tile grout, stuff like that, for cabinets, perfect, because then you don't have to bend over. And for the tub, perfect. So this is what you get. Okay, so let's see what it does. You're going to be using this pretty much like you would scrub with a rag and whatever cleaner you use. The good thing is this makes it a whole lot faster and a lot less work. You're not scrubbing. You figure, look how fast your hand would have to go around like this. This thing worked great on the faucets to shine them up and get in the crevices. It worked really well. This bathroom was really nasty. Mold, soap scum. I mean, it had everything. There was rust, lots of soap scum. The camera doesn't really pick up the drastic difference this makes, but this door, the dogs go in and out all the time, and it was pretty grungy, and it got all the dirt off, cleaned it really good, got the grime. Unfortunately, Pup-Up thinks this is his new toy. He loves to play with water. Here is the before and the after. And on the inside, same thing. This is before and this is the after. It really made a big difference. This worked really good on the baseboards and the corners. I was just shocked. I was really happy with this. Very good purchase. So even on our nasty stove, I go ahead and wipe it off with a Mr. Clean foam scrubber. And then I'm going to get my little brush scrubber, scrub it first with nothing. And then I'm going to try some Ajax with it. And it really seemed to do the trick. Got a lot of the scratches off and a lot of the burn on food. You know how the food gets when you have it on a hot burner and leave it? Well, this got it all off. And then when I wiped it down, just polish it, and it looked great. This little jewel exceeded at everything I tried it with, and I went everywhere and tried it on everything. I mean, even my truck, it got the love bugs off the front. I really highly recommend this. The Voweek brush scrubber gets 2 thumbs up for me. That's what I have for this week. Take care. Have a great day. Until next week when I show you another product that you just can't live without.